Okay. Alright guys. It's very humid out here. I'd rather have the sun. But I think it's gonna rain. It's gonna be raining all this week anyway. And then we got a cold front. So I just wanted to show you with the garden bed or the raised bed. So here is the center blocks that I use. So I got 2 on each corner. Alright, and the wood is a 4x8 garden bed. Now, this is a really big garden bed. You know, when I got the wood, it didn't, just like, it didn't look that big, but this is like a serious big garden bed. So I filled up, let's say 3, 4, 5 bags of garden soil, and I mixed 2 different kinds. So let me show you. So I'll put my hand on here. So I got this potting soil, and then I got this one. So this one at Walmart was $8.98. This one was $5.98. So normally I'll use Miracle Grow, but they didn't have Miracle Grow, and you gotta use what you got, right? So I need to get at least about 6 or 7 more bags of garden soil, but I'm not going to get them until in about 2 more weeks to my next paycheck. And then I'm going to plant in the front, because I want to get enough sun. I'm going to plant probably do them in the back, 4 broccoli, and right here in the front row is going to be some bell peppers. So, and I gotta find some at least bamboo sticks, something that I can put into the ground, or sticks. I'll probably check out sticks and see if they could just cut it. So yeah, because I need to transplant these. I think this is probably these are my bell peppers. I think this is probably 34 so bell peppers. And here's a tomato plant. See, I got 2 tomatoes growing right here, and I got more flowers growing. Here are my onions, and here's my onions, and then here is my other tomato plant. See, I need to get some sticks so I can, look how beautiful they're growing. They're growing so big. And here's some more. So, and this one got 1 on it, but it's growing some more. But I need to get a stick or something and stick it in there and hold it down. So but yeah, so the Italian basil is holding on, but it's turning different colors, it's growing flowers. So hey, I got my use out of it. So now this plant here, I thought it was a carrot plant, but I think it's a cherry tomato plant, because it started growing these, and they got a whole bunch of them. So I'm going to try to save it, even though it is not, you're not supposed to plant it in fall, you're supposed to plant it in springtime. But hey, I'm a newbie, so and here is my cucumber plant. This is my second time trying to grow it, and so far it's growing beautiful flowers, and there is no bugs on the bottom of the leaves. So I've been checking them every day, and so because the bugs, they don't like sun, they like they like warm, they like wet. So, and started growing cucumbers right there. And so they got cucumbers right there. And they got more flowers growing. So, and then this one here, these are growing flowers too. So, you know, something I could do about the rain. But I really need to, because I do not want this to be falling off. Like this one here. This one's way off here. So, and that one's growing a tomato right there. And they got a lot of flowers growing. So many flowers. And it just is like hanging off right here. And it's just the way it's growing. I can't put it straight up. So I mean, I could try to put a tomato cage in it, but you know, yeah. So, and here's my onions. So bring this around it. It's like so hot out here. Now if you get the soil and you get it away, move it away from the onion, what happens is, even though it's loose, it's still hanging on. So, you know, they're really loose now. But what happens is that the onion bulb, it's so hot out here. The onion bulb will actually grow bigger, and they will swell up, grow beautiful bulbs. Now, I'm going to show you something else, which is like crazy. So, we had, let me get out of here. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, so we had a bird feeder, and we had sunflower seeds and pumpkin seeds and all the other stuff in there. Well, the problem was is that ants started growing in it, and I had to throw it away. So I dumped the food all along here, and then it started growing. All of these, it started growing sunflower seeds. These are all sunflower seeds. All of these. See, look at that. So, see that? This is a sunflower seed. And these are all sunflower seeds. All these plants. Now, if it survives, good. If it does survive, then it starts growing sunflowers, and hooray, you know. But I'm not going to take it out of the ground, because it'd be different if it was in a pot, you know, to transplant it. But since it's in the ground, no. So we go back into the fence. So I'm not going to take any chances of taking it out. So, oh my God. All right. Got the fence up. Okay, so that's it. Just wanted to show you what it looks like. All right. Peace.